Hello everyone, we are Classical Sis and we are heading somewhere. Let's find out where. What is the date today? 18th of September 2022 and it's a Sunday. How do you feel? I'm quite excited because I seriously don't know what is going to happen. So I'm just excited. This time Travel with Classical Sis shows a very meaningful place. Both of us attended a special screening of the short film called Pyara Trakai, and just an FYI, I'm one of the cast. So how do you feel? I'm feeling nervous, actually, honestly. Let's hope everything will be good. So as you know what's going to happen today, are you prepared for it? I think I am. As I said, I'm nervous for what event it is, but I'm confident that it will be good. Both the emotions together. Okay. We as Classical Sis are thankful that we get an opportunity to document the unforgettable and the most glorious moments of our life. 3, 2, 1, go! Let me flip it. Okay, so all the best, we are already here. काही सांगू नाही ते. हो. असं ते आपण सगळे जाणार होते बाय. ऑल द बेस्ट.
असं कधी सकाळी उभं होतो मी.
राज अजून आयडेंटिफाय करते कुठे आपण.
मित्रमंडळी आलेत, सगळ्यांचं जसे दिसतील तसे स्वागत करतो. सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा मला आदरणीय राज दत्तजी चित्रपट सृष्टीचे
खरं तर माणसाचं जीवन हा एक प्रवास आहे.
राजेंद्र बगाटे त्यांच्या डोक्यातून ही कल्पना आली. म्हणजे ऍक्च्युली सुरुवातीला ती पाठी होती, त्यामुळं त्या पद्धतीने ती सत्यकथाच आहे. त्यांना कोणीतरी ती सांगितली आणि म्हणजे ते बेंगलोर टू चेन्नई अशा प्रवासात कोणीतरी सांगितली. तिथनंच त्यांनी मला फोन केला की असा असा किस्सा आहे, आपण त्याच्यावर काहीतरी करूया का. मला पण तो आवडला आणि
नाही तर लाईक नाही.
एवढं ठीक आहे
ना. How was the film? So to be honest, it was really nice. In back of my mind, I knew what the story is, but still, I watched it as a fresh face with a fresh mind. As audience, I thoroughly enjoyed the short film. It has all the elements which are required for a short film to be worth watching. As Classical Sis, it feels like an honor to be a part of such meaningful work, and we would love to, we would wish to get more opportunities as such. Also, we feel blessed to be part of the short film, and we were able to seek blessings from the dignified personalities who had joined us for the screening. Keep supporting, keep loving, and stay tuned for more such videos. Namaste.